guys, so here's just a little like unboxing video of the parachute mount and bumper support that I ordered. This is from a company called MAF Racing and Performance Tool. So I'll put a link in the description on that. But yeah, this is made in America, made in the USA, so that's all good. And it's so far, just the box feels pretty light. I was expecting it to be a little heavier because this is supposed to be the builder's kit for the bumper support and also the parachute mount, you know, something that you can weld yourself. So I didn't want to buy one that was already made because I'm not sure where the wing is going to sit, you know, the Scott Rod wing. The Scott Rod wing is a little shorter than most wings. It's only a 12-inch wing, so I wasn't sure if the parachute was going to stick out too far. So I wanted to be able to, you know, do it like, make it fit how I wanted it to fit. So go ahead and open this up here. The shipping was really fast on this, like 2 or 3 days. So if you guys need something like this, this is one of the companies that is actually shipping stuff pretty quickly. One of the few, I should say. So this is called Docol tubing, I guess, on their website. Go look it up if you're interested in this stuff, because I'm not 100% familiar with it, but it's pretty light. I mean, it's not too heavy. It feels a little lighter than like mild steel, but let me go grab the scale and we'll find out exactly what it weighs. Hopefully it's heavy enough to even register on this thing. Yeah, looks like it is. Okay, 5.5 pounds. 5.5 pounds for that. And then, let's see what else. Okay, that's nothing else in there. So this comes in a nice padded pack here. And yeah, it looks like some of the tubes are coked already. They're already mitered to fit. I'm guessing that's going to be going probably here. What else do we have? Nice flange for the actual parachute. You can see there. It's cut really nice. It's like deburred really well. It's not a little rough on this side. On one side it's a little rough, but on this side it's not. That could be from the, I guess it's probably a plasma cutter that cuts this out, I'm guessing. You can kind of see the burn marks on this side. So rough on one side, not the other side, but you can easily clean that up, sand it, whatever. And wow, directions. How often do you see that where you get actual directions with this stuff? Like all Team Z stuff, it doesn't come with any directions whatsoever. So, but yeah, so I'll have to look through that, check it out. So anyway, we got that. And okay, so this is pretty cool. It's got a the gussets. It actually has the logo printed in it. You can see, I don't know if you all can see that or not, but these are the gussets that go, I believe that they support the, like, I guess like this, to support the tube up onto this tube here. So, and then your mount for the parachute tether will go to that. So yeah, looks like a pretty good kit. Not too bad. Like I said, it's got these little cool little laser cut, or probably plasma cutter, little gussets there, and then this is all taped together. But one of the ends is nice and mitered, so, or already notched, I should say. And I'm sure that this probably mounts right to here, like so. But yeah, so let's go to the back of the car and I'll show you where this goes, like where it hooks up. It actually goes in the holes where the old like stock shock absorbers go. In this hole here and here. So it goes like in these holes here. Let's see how good they fit. Wow, it slips right in like perfect. So yeah, so what you got to do is, in order to attach this, you just drill holes under the car here. Okay, there's little holes right here, and you can see where it meets up right there. And you just drill a hole, and that's, you just run a bolt through it, and that's it. There's your bumper support. But it's not going to really support the bumper. You know, the only thing I may do on the bottom of this is run some like tube off of it, and so I could attach the bottom of the bumper. So let's go look at the bumper itself and see if we can see what I'm talking about here. It's like a maze up here. So, okay, so on the bumper itself, you can see there's these holes. So if you don't hook this to anything, and it's just gonna flap in the wind like this going down the track. So I wanna make something that comes off of that tube, you know, that can hook to those, that'll run some bolts up through those little tabs on the bumper itself. So that's really the only thing I'm gonna do as far as trying to support the bumper, just, you know, just the bottom of it. So maybe some like little pieces that come off like this, and then, you know, weld some nuts on it and then just hook it up that way. This piece has already got the radius put on it. So that's going to be going here, basically. Then you have this one here, which he told me when I ordered it that he left this a little bit longer so that I can adjust it and, you know, put it where I want, basically. So then that's going to go in there with a bolt, okay? And he supplies a grade 8 bolt for it. That's going to probably go through there, I'm assuming. Seems like a little bit overkill, but maybe not. And then this will mount to here. So this one I'm gonna have to radius myself. So I would say that it's probably gonna be in this area here. And then, see, I'm gonna move the camera a little bit so you can see better. Yeah, kind of in this area here. So the point is, you know, the reason I got it like this and not already put together is so I can adjust where I put this here. So if I need it here, you know, I can adjust it. If I need it out here, I can adjust it, just depending on where the wing lands. Because I don't want it touching the wing. I don't want it too far away from the wing. I want it nice and tucked up there, okay? And then, obviously, that would mount on there, like so. So it's gonna land somewhere right in this area here. So, and then, yeah, pretty simple. I mean, it's a pretty simple kit. So, a little bit of fabrication, not too much, you know, just a little bit. But I wanted it that way because, like I said, not many people use the Scott Rod wing. It's a little shorter than most wings. It's like a 12-inch wing. Most people use like a 14 or 15, like the Outlaw style. I just don't like those. They're just too, I don't know. They look too crazy long. And I just like the look of the shorter wing. But anyway, so that's pretty much that. We got that. And last night I was working for about, I don't know, it took me less time than I thought it would, about 2.5, 3 hours. And I was able to get all the torque box out, okay? Still have some spot welds I gotta clean up and kind of, you know, just go through with like a wire wheel and clean up all the little surface rust. I mean, there's really not that much. A little bit here and there, but you can see all the spot welds. I still have to flatten them out. There's quite a few of those, and there's a little piece there I need to get out still, and a piece there I need to get out still, but for the most part, it wasn't too terrible. So yeah, we got that done. So we're just waiting for the torque box from Team Z. Yeah, I used this little spot weld drill. You can see that. It's got like a little spring-loaded deal here, right on the end. It's spring-loaded, and then it has cutters. And the kit I bought, you know, it was on Amazon. It come with about 6 or 7 cutters, and each cutter is double-sided. So you can, when it wears out, you flip it over, and then when that wears out, you toss it and get another one. But so far, I mean, I think I only used one cutter for that whole entire thing. So, you know, I used one side of it and then flipped it and used the other side. So yeah, one cutter got me through it. But yeah, I mean, I just wanted to kind of come on here and do a little unboxing, show you guys that. I also did pick up some, oh, here's another thing that's really nice. I was doing a little research on waxes, and I picked up this Turtle Wax Hybrid Solution Ceramic Acrylic Black Polish. Okay, and I did a little spot right here, and it looks really good. I mean, so, no, it's probably hard to tell, but you know, in this little area right here on the car, there was still some swirl marks, and I was like, you know what? Let me just try this, because I did some research, and they say it works really good. Now, this stuff is for black cars, okay? It's actually tinted. I'll put a little bit on a piece of paper here. It's actually tinted black. Just put a little dot there. Look how black it is, okay? And just, you know, doing that one little section, like I did from here to the light, and then up to here. Okay, this corner right here. So this little section, okay, and it stained my hands up really bad. It's, you know, the black it's like a dye. So when you have little scratches in clear coat, what you're seeing is not, you're not really seeing the scratch. You're more so seeing like the ridges of the clear coat that's kind of turned white. So what that does is it kind of dyes that and fills it in. So, you know, I mean, it's a little bit of a Band-Aid for, you know, not perfect clear coat, but I don't know, I just don't want to keep, you know, buffing it and keep buffing it and keep buffing it. But because, I mean, it looks amazing already. And I think that just kind of tops it off. And I also, this was a while back, I ordered some other black stuff too. This is just this Turtle Wax Jet Black. Okay, this is the same thing. Similar, it's similar. It's not the same thing as that wax. Okay, that's like a ceramic coating. Okay, ceramic. It's got carnauba wax in it and all that. This is more for like in between waxings. Okay, so like this would be like a detailer more, but this is also black. Not as bad. It doesn't have as much black tint in it, but it does have black tint in it. And this would be more for like, you know, you go to the track, you take this along with you with a rag instead of, you know, having to carry that around. You don't do that as often. This is more of like maintenance. So anyway, I thought that was pretty cool that I wanted to try it. I just got it in today, and I'm really impressed the way it looks. I mean, you can see, I don't know if you can tell the difference between this, which I didn't do. I didn't use it on this, and this. Okay, so anyway, so a few more things we got in for the build. We got this Vibrant cast aluminum elbow. So that's going to be going on the turbo to, instead of using that silicone coupler that I have, like a 90-degree silicone coupler, we're going to put that on there. And off of that, we'll have a heavy-duty clamp. We also I ordered some painless wire. This is a 14 gauge. 50 feet each, so I got 100 foot of that just for miscellaneous things. I mean, I have most of the wire I need. It's already on the harness in the car, but I'm gonna change a few things. Like right now I'm using the factory wire for the main fuel pump, and I want to switch that. I want to, you know, run a dedicated wire for that instead of using the factory stuff, and just a few other things too. But yeah, what else do we have? I picked up a set of ET fronts for the front rims. So we have those. Gonna wait to install those until we're ready to use them. that's pretty much another little update, but kind of a little unboxing too, a little unboxing review on the parachute mount. Oh, by the way, it was the price came out to like 260 bucks shipped. So it's like, it's the builder's kit, you know, it's the kind that you have to weld yourself and all that. So it comes out to about, I don't know, a little more than 100 bucks cheaper than most of the other ones that are already built for you and you just bolt it on. So, but like I said, I wanted to do mine specifically to tailor to the wing I put on there, you know, not just some, you know, already built thing that you're going to slap on and hopefully it's in the right spot, you know, for your wing. Because to me that's important, you know, to have your parachute sitting, you want it pretty much sitting, if your wing comes off, you want your parachute just above it and at a slight angle up. Okay, so just behind it, slight angle up. That way, you know, the wind catches it whenever you open it up or whatever, and also that it just looks better than a big space between your wing and the parachute. So, but anyway, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I just wanted to kind of show you that, give you the update on a few things I've got ordered, and show you that new turtle wax black stuff, the black, I forget what it's called, but man, that stuff works great. I recommend it if you have a black car. It's specifically made for black cars. So, but anyway, that's gonna do it, guys. Check you all next time.